Hello folks, welcome to our house. Just for you we've opened up our house. Let us show you all that we can do with the science of animals and food. Even though it's virtual, we think you'll still want to go through our house.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, gosh!
Welcome folk inside our classroom. This is where we teach shoot for the moon. COVID thing will be over real soon. Time to sell that stock in Zoom. Here's where we learn a ton, and while we learn we have some fun in our classroom. We have Holstein cows in our house. Students making cheese in our house. If you scream for ice cream like I do, this dairy bar is the place for you. Chocolate mint and purple pride, those and more all inside our house.
That wasn't too bad.
Okay.
I think you could use another take.
What? No!
We've got lots of critters at our house. Sheep and goats and pigs at our house. Hang out with the cool cows at the barn. Collect some eggs and ride a horse at dawn. We hope you like what you see. Welcome here, you'll always be at our house. There it is.